In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use your flight credit on Expedia. So if this is something that you want to be able to do, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I'm going to do firstly is to just go into Expedia and then log in into my Expedia app. And as you can see, I'm now taken to this page right here. So now what I'm going to do on this page right here is to firstly click on your name right here, as you can see. And then what you're going to do on this page is to just simply click where it says account. So click on account. It's just going to load here for us, so just a second. And as you can see, we should now be taken to this page right here, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is very simple. You're going to click where it says view rewards activity in here, as you can see. So we can click right here. So for some of you, you will be able to see a button in here where it says to actually like redeem your credits or something like that. But if you don't have this button in here, don't worry. You can scroll down in here and click on credits. And you will be able to view your credits in here. So as you can see, you will be able to view your available credits in here. I don't have any active airline credits right now in my account, but if you do, you will be able to see them in here. So it actually differs from what I've understood myself, at least it actually differs from airline to airline exactly how to redeem those credits. But what you can try to do is to actually book a specific flight with that specific airline that you have credits with, and before checking out, see if there's any option for you to actually apply your credit on that specific airline. If there's no option, what you can do is to actually pause, don't check out, and instead click on the support option right here. So click on the support option, and in here what we're going to do, we can for example click on flight right here, as you can see. Then we can click on book a flight, and then you can click where it says get in touch. And in here, you're going to write your mobile number, what type of booking we can take, for example, flight. And then you're going to have flight credit in here. And then just write your mobile number, and you're going to see their contact option. So make sure to contact the actual support that works for Expedia, and they will be able to actually help you to apply your credits to that specific flight that you want to be able to book. So try this, and hopefully now you will be able to use them.